Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hibachi fried rice. First, ensure you have day-old chilled rice. This is crucial for the perfect texture. Next, prepare all your ingredients. Dice your chosen protein like chicken or shrimp into small bite-sized pieces. Chop your vegetables such as onions, carrots, and peas uniformly. Have your soy sauce, butter, and cooking oil ready to go. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat with about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add your diced onions and carrots, sautéing them for 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften. Next, introduce your chilled, day-old rice to the pan. Break up any clumps with your spatula and stir-fry the rice for 3 to 4 minutes, ensuring it heats evenly and begins to get a slightly crispy texture. It's time to add the stars of the show. Push your rice to one side of the pan and add your protein to the cleared space. Cook chicken or beef for about 5 to 7 minutes, or shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes until fully cooked. Then, add your frozen peas and a generous tablespoon of butter. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce over the entire mixture, tossing everything together to ensure every grain of rice and piece of protein is coated in that savory flavor. Almost done. Continue stir-frying the fried rice for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing all the flavors to fully meld together. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more soy sauce or a dash of white pepper. Finally, garnish your delicious hibachi fried rice with freshly chopped green onions for a vibrant finish. Serve it immediately and enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.